It's a all ready to run RC car with a 800 milliamp hour one cell lithium polymer battery. We have a transmitter, and actually the batteries for the transmitter is included. That's awesome. A USB charger takes about 1.5 hours to charge the battery, and according to the website you have about 20 minutes of running time. And last but not least, a manual. So let's remove the cover of the car. So this is what it looks like. It's a brushed motor, and the tires seems to be a very nice rubbery feel, so it will probably have a lot of traction, at least on asphalt. Also, before I forget, it's not waterproof, so you can't actually run with this in the rain or in puddles, and they actually don't recommend any sand, so that's something to keep in mind. And all tires have a independent shock absorber, and the battery is mounted on either side, so you can actually use two batteries if you would like, but you have to use a parallel connector. So you could actually get another of these batteries and run them in parallel, so you get a really long drive time. But basically what you have to do is pop these plastic covers and just install the battery on either side, it doesn't matter which one. Plug in the battery and turn on your transmitter, and that's basically it. The transmitter seems to have a really nice feel to it. I like that you actually can just put it on the ground. It's part of the design to just be able to stand on its own. A nice steering wheel, and again, according to the box and the website, we have a proportional throttle and brake. You also have some trim tabs and a on or off switch. You also have, I forgot to mention, a on or off switch on the car. So I'm just gonna strap the GoPro to my head and go out and test it. That's basically what I'm gonna do. So let's see how it does. So here is some final words about the KD Summit from GearBest. Honestly, it's a nice package. You get everything you need, but I hate to say that according to the website you get 25 minutes of drive time, and it depends on how you drive and how cold it's outside and everything, but I got 10 minutes of drive time, and I hardly think anyone could ever get 25 minutes. You would probably have to drive really slowly or really efficiently, I don't know, but for my run I got 10 minutes. So I would say the runtime on this is somewhere between 10 minutes and 15 minutes. Also, the specifications, they say that the car could do 25 kilometers an hour. I say nay. The top speed of this car is about 15 kilometers an hour. But overall, it's a really nice package. Again, it's including batteries for your